If they go back to the original script of His Excellency Uhuru Kenyatta and Raila Amolo Odinga was to bring unity, stability, and peace to this country without thinking about 2022. That handshake and BBI is not supposed to enthrone leaders into positions of leadership. The rock on which BBI and the handshake stands is building a united, prosperous, and a great democratic country called Kenya. And I hope that those who are speculating at some point, they'll come back to the real concrete issues and look at this unity between Raila Amolo Odinga and Uhuru Kenyatta. If you want to talk about other alliances, that is your own dream. But Raila Odinga, as far as I know him, he will not waver any day from the promises and the agreement they reached with Uhuru Kenyatta. And that should go down as a matter of record.
Kutiri hando hali athie president akahota ku perform president ura wiho inyu ni mweci aturi akegu ithwe twe UDA twetekera mundu uturaga mecieri engi atumia haikitie mugwanja agiteaga ni atumia oruka ni mundu muru kitu mundu mokare muru ithu turi akegu kana DP kana ithwe twe nake twetekere twe mundu ukakuvunja gwitu kiama kia UDA ni kiama kimwe gya ciama 13 iria ciekire coalition na Jubilee koguo tutumete nja tuli ku nyumba thiini tugicaria mubango itu wa 2022.